In how many ways can 60 be written as the sum of two or more consecutive odd positive integers? Arranged in increasing order? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Suppose we use k consecutive odd numbers. Starting at an odd number a, their sum equals k times a, plus twice the sum of 0 up to k minus 1. That simplifies to k times the quantity a plus k minus 1. And this must equal 60. Solving for a, we get a equals 60 divided by k minus k minus 1. We need a to be a positive odd integer, with k at least 2. Let's test values of k. For k equals 2, a is 30 minus 1, which is 29. That's odd, so it works. For k equals 3, a is 20 minus 2, which is 18. Even. Reject. For k equals 4, a is 15 minus 3, which is 12. Even. Reject. For k equals 5, a is 12 minus 4, which is 8. Even. Reject. For k equals 6, a is 10 minus 5, which is 5. That's odd, so it works. Larger k make a 0 or negative. So there are exactly two ways. 29 plus 31 equals 60. And 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 equals 60. So the answer is 2.